Number 5, it says ray BX bisects angle ABC. So if I draw a picture, here's angle A, down here to B, over to C. So from point A down to point B, down to point C. That's angle ABC. It says BX bisects it. That means it cuts it right in half. So here we have ray BX cutting it in half. This piece and this piece are exactly the same. What does it now says? It says, hey, A down to B to X. That angle right there is worth 8n plus 10. That means this guy's got to be worth 8n plus 10 because it's the same angle. So it says, what is angle ABC? So what is the whole big thing? Well, it's just two things of 8n plus 10. Add them together, it gives you 6n plus 20. So the expression would be, oh, it's just 6n plus 20. That's all I have to do. Number 6, the Pythagorean theorem only works on what type of triangles? Right triangles. Remember, it always has a right angle right there, and a squared plus that b squared equals the c squared. Right triangles. Angle A and B are complementary angles. What does complementary mean? It means angle A plus angle B add up to 90 degrees. Complementary. Remember, complementary is 90, supplementary is 180. I remember it by C becomes 4S, just like 90 comes for 180. My son likes to take that C and change it to a 9 and make it look like 90. That's how he remembers complementary. Angle A now, what does it say angle A is? It says, hey, this guy is 2n plus a 10. It says B has a value of 3n plus 4, and we know that comes out to be 90. So now we just solve. 2n and 3n is 5n. 10 and 4, 14 equals 90, right? Now we minus 14. We're going to get an ugly answer here for n, but that's okay. 90 minus that is what? 76. Okay. So I now need to divide by 5. When I divide 76 by 5, that's going to be 15.2. That's what I get in my head. 15.2. Now, that's n. It doesn't care what n is. It says, hey, I need to know who angle B is. And it says here, angle B is worth 3 times whatever n is, which is 15.2, plus 4 more. So I take the calculator. 13 times 15.2 is 45.6, plus the 4 more. And then, so now just add it, and you should get 49.6 degrees is what A is. Little difficult, but only because the division didn't come out pretty. You have a calculator. You can use a calculator. All right, number 8, BX bisects angle ABC. So it's one of those again. I got A, I got B, I got C, I got the angle, and BX is cutting it again in half. So here's BX cutting it in half. It says A down to B to X. That angle is 40. If he is 40, this guy is 40. And it now says, hey, what is A to B to C? What's that whole angle? 80 degrees. One more. Number 9, which below is the symbol for the word therefore? Which is it? It is this. Some reason it's supposed to be a triangle. I don't know why when I put this as a PDF, it's erasing that extra dot. That's very weird, but that's what it's obviously doing. Okay, this means approximately, that's infinity, and that means the difference between delta symbol. So the answer for 9 is D, and it will look pretty when you take the test or when you took it or retake it.